Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many VBA users are facing. The issue revolves around memory not being properly released when using dictionaries in the 64-bit version of Office 365. This problem is quite frustrating as it leads to memory leaks and requires manual intervention to clear memory, which was not the case in the 32-bit version. Now let's dive into the solution that has been provided for this memory release problem. The key version that seems to work without these issues is version 16.0, build 18025, with an architecture of 64-bit. So, if you are experiencing memory leaks with the newer versions of Office 365, this specific version might be a good workaround for now. It's essential to keep an eye on updates and patches that could potentially address this memory management issue. Continuing with the solution, we have a script called AddRegistryEntry that can help in dealing with the memory problem. This script involves setting a specific registry entry that might alleviate the memory release issue. By executing the script, you are essentially tweaking the VBA loading behavior, potentially affecting how memory is handled. It's a handy workaround that could make a difference in memory management within the VBA environment. To wrap things up, we discussed a frustrating memory management problem in VBA within the 64-bit version of Office 365. The solution involves using a specific version where memory release seems to work correctly and utilizing a script to adjust registry settings, potentially improving memory handling. Hopefully, these workarounds can help you navigate through this memory issue and optimize your VBA workflow. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Remember, VBA quirks may come and go, but a little workaround can always save the day.